This is Dabu7. I want to share with you here some footage of Hillary Clinton having a wicked coughing spell in Cleveland.
She's gonna have her cough attack. Oop.
Is she gonna go down?
I wonder if she's a smoker.
I find it odd the first thing she does is cough with all these health stuff they're talking about.
She can't even talk. This is so wild.
This is weird.
Excuse me. Also, two other great members of Congress, Tim Ryan and Joyce Beatty. And your mayor, thanks to Mayor Jackson. And I hope that Ohio will send Ted Strickland to the Senate. Now, behind me are some of the great labor leaders of our country. Randy Weingarten, Lee Saunders, Rich Trumka. I'm proud to be on the same stage with them because they're always fighting for working families. Once I get over my allergic reaction, let me say that we're here in part because
it's been Dabu7.
we know how important this election is to Ohio. It's not just